How to select all photos on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to the tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can select all photos on iPhone. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So to select all of your photos on iPhone, simply open up your iPhone and you can tap on this select option on the top right and start selecting. So that's one way of doing it. And after you do that, you can then tap on the three dots on the bottom right and then simply select what you want to do, such as hide, duplicate and stuff. Now if you want to select each and every photos, that is all of the photos, you'll have to just press on the bottom right here, bottom right, and on the top, and then simply start dragging it like this. Keep on dragging it until you find the top, and after you do that, you'll have selected every photo. It can take some time depending on how much photos you have, but that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.